Hey y'all, I'm gonna be working on my Dosado again today. I have these fussy cuts I printed onto cardstock. These are from LineDotArrow. It is the Collage Tear Pages number 3. Those are available in the LineDotArrow Etsy shop. I'm gonna cover this card with some pretty paper on some lined paper. I'm going to use it upside down with make a little tuck spot there. And then I decided I want to trim the top off, or actually it was originally the bottom of the envelope that I'm going to trim off and make a pocket out of it. Okay. I have a 1-inch hole punch that I'm going to use to make a thumb notch. And again, this is on the bottom where I cut the sliver off of the envelope. Okay, this is what it looks like. And I need to glue the side first and then glue my little tuck spot down on the bottom. Okay, so now I have a pocket here and a tuck spot here. I'm going to do the same thing to the second envelope. I have a few places that I need to glue down where the original envelope pieces were already loose. But here you can see I'm just going to glue the side first and then come back and glue my tuck spot. I fussy cut those flowers out. I found some book page and some colored cheesecloth. And I'm just going to do a little collage on the front of these little pockets. I thought I might use that piece of scrap on the bottom of the pocket, but then I decided I didn't like it and I ended up not using it. Okay, here's the first little pocket, decorated. And I'm gonna slide it into this pocket here. Although later on you'll see I change my mind and I decide to use the second pocket that I decorate. And I'm just gonna use the same techniques as I did on the first pocket. And there we go. Decorated pocket. This one came out really cute. I don't know if it was the curve of the floral piece or just the fact that it clashed more. I thought the colors went well with what I had going on. So rather than using the pastel flowers, I used the brighter ones. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good evening.